Donald Trump's tax returns has officially been released, and I have all of the important highlights for you. So make sure you're watching till the very end. I also have a statement from Trump and the Republicans on the release of his tax returns, and we are going to go over how you can locate the tax returns if you would like to review them for yourself. Welcome back, everyone. So happy to have you back for another breaking news alerts and updates. Get your popcorn ready for all of the juicy details. Let's go ahead and get started. 6 years of Donald Trump's federal income tax returns was released today, Friday. Trump claimed large losses before and during his presidency. For example, his tax returns show that he carried forward a $105 million loss in 2015 and a $73 million loss in 2016. In 2017, listen closely, Trump paid just $750 in federal income tax return because of the carryover losses that he claimed in prior years. And Trump paid nearly $1 million in taxes to foreign countries that same year. So he paid more in taxes outside of where he resides, outside of the country that he claims to love so much. He paid only $750 in federal U.S. taxes and nearly $1 million outside of the U.S. Please comment in the comment section and let us know how you're feeling so far. Trump also claimed $21.1 million deduction in 2015 for donating 150 acres of his 212-acre property called Seven Springs in North Castle, New York. That donation was made to a land trust and is currently the focus of a Manhattan District Attorney's criminal investigation of Trump's organization finances. We are not surprised of that. In 2017, Trump claimed his business, DJT Aerospace, which operates Trump's personal helicopter, he claimed a profit of $42,965. But get this, he also claimed that same amount in expenses, dollar for dollar. And that left the company, that particular company, with zero income and nothing to pay in taxes. In 2018, Trump listed $10.5 million in state and local taxes. In 2019, Trump paid $8.4 million in SALT. In 2020, Trump paid $8.5 million in SALT and claimed the maximum allowable $10,000 deduction for all of those 3 years. Now, SALT is state and local taxes you pay if you itemize your federal income tax return. And the max you can claim is $10,000 for tax years 2018 through 2025. And as we just went over, he certainly took advantage of the max deduction and claimed it for all of those 3 years. In 2015, Trump reported paying $5.1 million in state and local income taxes and $19,411 in medical and dental expenses. That's a lot of medical and dental expenses. And during his candidacy, he kept claiming he was healthy as a horse. In 2015, also Trump reported losing $1.3 million on $9.3 million of revenue at his Wallman Rink, which is the Central Park ice skating operation he then owned at that particular time. In 2019, Trump took a $4,739 in alternative refueling credit In 2017, Trump claimed he received exactly, listen closely, he received exactly $18,000 in interest on a loan he gave to who? His daughter Ivanka Trump. We're not done yet. He also claimed interest of $8,715 on a loan he gave to who? His son, Donald Trump Jr. We're not done yet. And he claimed $24,000 of interest on a loan he gave to his son, Eric Trump. Listen closely. This raises the question whether the loans were bona fide arm's length transactions or whether the transfers were disguised gifts that could trigger gift tax and a disallowance of interest deductions by the borrowers. Let us know what you think in the comment section. I truly believe they were disguised as gifts for tax purposes because that is what his actions have shown so far. Now, Trump reported having foreign bank accounts between 2015 and 2020, including a bank account in China between 2015 and 2017 on his tax returns. During his presidency, Trump pled that he would donate his entire salary, he would donate it to charity each year. All right, he boasted about this so many times that he was going to donate his full salary to charity. Listen to this, all right? It states that from the review of his taxes, if he donated his 2020 salary, he didn't claim it on his tax returns. And among the 6 years of tax returns the House Ways and Means Committee released, 2020 was the sole year in which Trump listed no donations to charity. He listed no donations to charity. He boasted so many times on the campaign trail, at his rallies, that he is giving all of his salary for all of the years to charity. But Trump posted a massive 4.8 million adjusted loss in 2020, which alone wiped out his federal income tax obligation for 2020. Trump paid zero in federal income taxes, making millions of dollars in a country he claimed to love so much, and he is paying zero in taxes. Here, you and I cannot get away with not paying $0 in taxes. Now, here is what Donald Trump had to say in regards to the release of his tax returns, and I quote, "The Democrats should have never done it. The Supreme Court should have never approved it, and it is going to lead to horrible things for so many people," he said. "The great USA divide will now grow far worse." But you're the one that created the divide, Donald Trump. He states the radical left Democrats have weaponized everything. But remember, that is a dangerous two-way street. What are your thoughts on Trump's comments in regards to the release of his taxes? I am not surprised. I am not surprised. He is so petty. The Republicans are stating that now that the Democrats know that they have control of the House, all right, they are warning the Democrats that they have started down a dangerous road, that public pressure could push them, All right, the incoming majority to release returns from President Biden's family as well as from other private individuals. So they are threatening to get back on the Democrats, President Trump, as well as the Republicans. They're threatening to get some get back now that they have control of the House. We will see how this unfolds. Adults behaving and acting like children. And here is how you can review a copy of Donald Trump's taxes. Simply go to your browser and type in copy of Trump's taxes, and you should get the alert for the PBS News Hour, and they have all of the tax returns listed there. You can click on them year by year, download them if you choose, and review them year by year. Make sure to comment and share your thoughts on the release of Donald Trump's taxes, as well as what he had to say, what the Republicans had to say. And of course, don't forget to hit that notification bell. First, you want to subscribe for more breaking news. Hit the notification bell so you can be alerted every time I post. And don't forget to check out all of the previous playlists, the previous video on Donald Trump's taxes. There is so much for you to watch on this channel, all right? And I will see every one of you again very, very soon, and Happy New Year.